Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming your iPhone supports iOS 17, because installing on unsupported hardware will fail. Once done, make a full backup to iCloud or to your computer using Finder or iTunes. This protects data if something goes wrong. Then, make sure your device is on Wi-Fi and has at least 50% battery, or plug it into power. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update, and choose Download and Install. This starts the update process immediately. You'll watch the download and preparing stages. During this time, do not exit Wi-Fi or force quit the Settings app, because that can corrupt the download. Once the update verifies, your iPhone will begin installing system files. This can take 10-30 minutes depending on model and storage. Make sure you don't need the phone for calls. It will reboot several times. If prompted, enter your passcode after reboot so iOS can finish setting up secure features and migrate settings safely. After installation, you'll be guided through a few quick setup screens. Sign into your Apple ID, confirm Face ID or Touch ID, and review app permissions so features work correctly. If the update stalls or the Apple logo stays too long, try a force restart first. If that fails, connect to your Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to recover or reinstall iOS. As a last resort, restore your backup. Only do that if data is missing, because it can reintroduce old settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.